So how long have you been living down here?
My last name is Niles.
Oh, you've been down here a long time.
The first sheriff of Monroe County and the first chief of police was a Niles. This is good.
They used to make Old Sour in your family?
Absolutely. Everybody in Key West knew what Old Sour was.
Good. Glad to bring it back. I hope you enjoy.
Awesome. Great job.
I noticed this man is peeling a bunch of shrimp. So I make a thing called Old Sour. This is like a 100-year-old recipe from down here in Key West. This is what every restaurant, every local, we put on seafood. But nobody ever made it commercially. I'd like you to put a little dab on there if you would. Try it out and give me your opinion. We use it on everything. Shrimp, fish, chicken. There's no wrong way to eat shrimp and Old Sour. No, it's slightly spicy, like white pepper spicy.
Oh, that's really good.
Right? It's key limes, sea salt, and a little bit of bird pepper.
That is an option condiment at the condiment place.
I stuck it over there.
Okay.
Fausto's carries it right now.
This
we have
is
it at the
better
store.
than-
This was the thing that you used to eat down here.
Fresh.
Yeah, that's great.
Woo, that's some comforters there, man. Now, what's your name, sir?
Brian.
I want you to take this and try it on the comforters and just tell me what you think. See, man, after my own heart, you pour a lot on, man. You don't use that little flip top.
Tastes like key lime.
Yeah, key lime, sea salt, a little bit of bird pepper just to get a little bit of spice with the comforters. It's great.
I like it. Good shit.
Give me a little splash on there. There you go. I hope everybody pours it like you do, because I'll sell a ton of that.
I bet it'd be good on fish.
It's really good on fish.
Either is there?
Nope.
No, that's really good.
Like it?
Yeah.
Different, right? Just makes the shrimp pop out a little bit more. You just tap it out, or you can just put it right on the shrimp. I'm learning all sorts of stuff just by the way people are doing stuff.
Some peel here.
That's pink shrimp. You know why it turns pink?
Why?
It rubs against the coral at the bottom of the sand. The sand color is more of a pinkish flavor, so it gets on the shell. Like it?
I love lime.
Who doesn't like lime?
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.